I hate you, I love you, hate that I love you, don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you.
Hey guys, what is up? It is Zeao here, and before we do start the video, be sure to leave a like, guys. Can we smash 10 to 15 likes? In this video, guys, I've got some good news. Now, you know when I said, I think my last video in the PvP series, that I was going to show you guys a spoiler, or I was going to show you a spoiler about the new plugin that we might be adding, and if you guys want it for your server, the link will be in the description if you want it. Now, just keep in mind, this is for Pokemon only, but I'm going to try and ask if Genesis Pro, our server version, can do this as well. If not, I can ask other server versions. Hopefully they can, because it is required for them to add it in as well. Like the PHP files into the server version, so we can do the same as we can do on Pokemon. So the stage is for Pokemon compatibility only. But yeah, we're not going to try and update to Pokemon anytime soon. We're going to try and get Genesis Pro to do so as well, so this can work. And yeah, so basically, if you go onto Safari, this is the link. No, I don't want to stop recording. Yeah, so this is the link. You got github.com/dplayers/MCPE/name changer. I did fork it because I wanted to show you guys some exclusives. This guy who made this plugin was called Block Horizons. He's a pretty awesome dude. Give him a shout out. Pretty amazing. And this is I'll show you in more depth of what it is. So yeah, as you can see, we'll read the readme.md. So you've got a plugin for Pokemon-MP to change the name in game. And yeah, and it's useful to keep players able to have access to their pre-1.2 Minecraft Pocket Edition update server accounts. It's pretty amazing, guys. And let's look in the plugin.yml. We're going to go from bottom to top. So this is the plugin.yml. Basically what it is basically it's the name of the plugin, the version that your plugin is currently on, the API, so which APIs are supported within this plugin. And the Alpha 8 is the new one for Pokemon. And main, which is the main file you use in order to make the events run the server, and the author of the plugin, which is Block Horizons. So that's the plugin.yml, and this is the readme, so you don't really need to change any of that. Not saying that you should, but this is plugin.yml. Basically what that does is when you go to this website, you can see you can custom login. I'll tell you this now anyway. And log in with GitHub with these authorizations. And you go to admin, and basically this is the section where you can pull your plugin or a fork plugin you've used. So if I wanted to enable name changer, if I enable it, I'm not going to enable it actually because I don't really want to enable it right now. Yes, if you do that, it will come up with this, and if you click confirm, as you can see, there's no difference between these two. This is the pocket.yml, but if you confirm it, it will come up straight to the this file. And this file will be created when it's enabled, which is pretty amazing. And that's basically what it is. The branches, which is master, this is the master current branch. I think there is another branch, yeah there is, called patch 1, which I think is the one I'm working on. I'm not going to show you in this video. And there's projects, and the name of the projects, not the name of the plugin.yml, but the name of the display name you want to put for this. For example, the project is called Time Ranks, but this one is called Name Changer. So we're going to go back. So yeah, and you've got ignore. I'm not sure what that does exactly. I think it's the idea section. I'm not sure how it works. But yeah, you've got Name Changer, and if you click this is all the coding file. This is the main file, so the main.php, but instead it's namechanger.php, which is the main. And what I'm talking about, guys, I'm going to learn you a bit of information regarding codes. So these, these three here currently are talking about Pokemon. Now what this is Pokemon Network, MCPE Protocol, and module from response packet. Now these are the three which I'm going to talk about in this video. So basically, these three files are the only ones, I think, in server version wise for Pokemon. So you can't get this on Genesis Pro at the moment, which that is what I'm talking about. I am waiting for Genesis Pro to create these three files and if they do along with the code, then I can try and add this to the server, which is pretty amazing. And you've got all the code here, so on enable, which basically means that you basically enable the plugin, so it's kind of technique. And then you've got save resource, which means any file which has been saved to name change settings.json, pretty amazing. And you've got get data folder, which means sessions.yml, which means that it's trying to get a data folder, which is named that kind of file. Client UUID basically means like Minecraft ID, I think. I'm not too sure what that is about. And on disable, which means if the plugin is not working or maybe the server stopped, it will say disabling plugin name. Now on join, which means if you join a server, it will say if you change your username, so your username has been changed to the event get player and get name, which means that the player name that has been changed to. Send tip, I think they've kind of broke that one, I'm not too sure. Open the settings screen to switch username, so it's pretty straightforward. It's like what you do in normal Minecraft 1.1.0. And on data packet, which is something that we need to work on within Genesis Pro itself. They haven't updated to 1.2 yet, I don't think. So working on that, I think. So yeah, pretty awesome. Service sent request. Basically, what that does, I think, is it allows you to change your username in MCPE. That is kind of required for this plugin for Genesis Pro in order to work with it. You did not click the name change confirm button. Yeah. Which is something I do not get at this stage. And you've got the rest of this code. If you guys are pro coders, you probably understand what I'm trying to say. I'm not sure what this is all about, but yeah, we're going to go straight forward in that. And that's the main code file complete. All we need to look at now is player session.php. Use pocketmine.utils UUID. Now what it's about, I think this is event files, or the listener files, which basically means that this event is taking place as like when you change usernames and all that kind of stuff, and it's basically events how you change the username and how it works. So yeah, I'm not going to show all that because it's kind of complicated. I don't want to stop recording. Oh my god, this is annoying. So yeah, that's everything I think in this video, guys. I could look at patch 1, but I don't want to spoil anything too much. So yeah, that is the plugin we're looking for. If it does work, guys, then I'll notify you all. But as always, the plugin has not been updated. The server version has not been updated to 1.2 yet, because we're still waiting for Genesis Pro, if they even update, to try and update to 1.2. Pretty amazing. So thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day. If you did, guys, enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day, and I will see you guys very soon. And yeah, what I'm going to say next? Peace. Also, guys, can we smash 10 to 15 likes for this awesome juicy video? And also, guys, if you guys are hyped for this plugin, if this even is going to be a plugin soon, be sure to crush the like button, guys. If we get 10 likes, I will try and release this ASAP. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day, and peace.
Hello guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you do like what you see, or if you like my content. Also, if you want to know when I upload, please click the notification button. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.
That I'm at an all-time